like that.
At least once. Can't come to the tunnel.
Oh my God.
What's going on, guys? So as you can see, my car is pretty filthy, so we're going to be cleaning her up today, and I'm going to show you guys some of the products I use to actually wash my car. So I have a pressure washer and the Foam Cannon S version 3.0 by MJJC. We actually did a video on this thing on the She Fast channel, so I'll put a link in the description as well as a link to our storefront where you can pick this item up if you're interested in it. We do earn a commission, so you're helping support the channel, but I love this thing. And as far as snow foam wash, I like Chemical Guys products. This is pretty much all I use now for snow foam. Works great. Diablo Wheel Cleaner is something new that I'm going to be trying. I haven't tried this, but Chemical Guys' other products work pretty well, so I'm assuming this will too. And then we have some Meguiar's Interior Detailer. I'm also going to be testing this out for the first time, as well as the Armor All Leather Care with beeswax, because the stuff I was using before didn't really make the leather, it didn't seem like it was really doing much. It seemed like the leather was just absorbing it. Didn't seem like it was really protecting it. So I'm going to test that out. Invisible Glass, that's really my favorite glass cleaner right there. Streak free guaranteed, and they couldn't be more right. As long as you use the right towel with it, you're in business. Hydro Spin, this is going to be a wheel and rim ceramic coating and quick detailer. I've never tried that. I usually use this, the synthetic quick detailer, to do the wheels, but we're going to be testing that out. So we have a few products that are new that I'm going to be testing out, and I figured I might as well show you guys so you can see what you think. You might be interested in some of this stuff. All of it, with the exception of the Foam Cannon, I bought on my own. They sent us that out for a review, but hey, I don't use stuff that doesn't work, so it is what it is. But everything else, we'll see how it performs. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. We also did a review on this pressure washer as well, if you guys are interested. Another item that we did purchase on our own. It's been holding up well. It comes with the different spray nozzle tips right there, so you can just switch them out easily without having to set it down. And the foam cannon connects right to it. So let's check out the foam cannon. Just pop this on. I already rinsed the car down. Alright, so now just got to dry it off, but first I'm going to go ahead and do the wheels. So this stuff you can actually spray on the brakes and brake components. So we're just going to spray it, let it sit, do its thing, and then spray it down. Interesting, because it's not foamy or sudsy or anything. So seems to work pretty good, but the jury's still out. I have to wait till maybe Shamilia's car. When I wash that, her wheels tend to get more brake dust with the Brembos, so we'll test it on her car. And because I like to work smarter and not harder, I always start my drying off with a leaf blower. So this is it after I washed it, dried it. I detailed the wheels with that wheel detailer. I really like that stuff. These wheels haven't shined like this since I had the car. So I'll show y'all the tire dressing that I use. It's also from Chemical Guys. I like it because it doesn't sling off. There are other brands that are shinier, but this does the job, and I don't have to worry about a bunch of black tire dressing all over the side of my car. Anyways, let's go ahead and move to the inside now. Okay, so you guys saw the final result. And again, I'll put a link in the description to this foam cannon snow foam auto wash. I highly recommend. This wheel cleaner actually worked really well. I was pretty impressed with this, so I'm going to keep using that. This is pretty decent. It's not the greatest thing in the world, nothing really special, nothing really stood out for me. Did the job though. This right here is probably some of the best smelling auto care products that I've ever smelled in my life, just being honest with you. So I'll probably keep using that. Seemed to work really well. I'm gonna have to see how long it lasts, but I'm liking this. This here got the wheels shining like crazy, man. This stuff really works. So I'll probably keep using that. Invisible glass, you already know, that's a winner. This detailer I also recommend. And of course, if you don't want your tire shine slinging all over your car, this Chemical Guys tire kicker tire shine gets the job done. So yeah, those are the products I use, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you use in the comments. If there's anything you think I should try out, maybe I'll keep doing videos like this. I don't know, we'll see. But until next time, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. That joint's nice. I like it.
Nah, I like those.
300 gang.
There you go. Come on, sir. Come on, let's go.